pussy, I'm fast on God. I'm a blood, my brother crippin', bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin', I like hot sauce on my chicken. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Okay, so I already prepped my eyes and did my eyebrows off camera. And right here, I'm about to take a purple and just blend it out. You want to use a fluffy brush so it won't be as harsh. It'll just, you know, be more subtle. I guess I can use that word. But yeah, you want to just apply that to the crease area. Now right here, I took a darker purple just to intensify the crease. And I'm just blending it in. Now I'm applying a light purple pigment. Say that 5 times fast. But yeah, a light purple pigment. And I'm just blending that into the darker purple. Now this video is not really in-depth where I show you each product I use. But you get the point. So now I'm taking... Now right here, I winged it. Literally, like I mixed together some of the pigment with, what did I use? I think white concealer, you know, like the white primer that you use on your eye. I mixed it with the purple pigment, and that's how I got this eyeliner. And I'm just gonna, you know, make a wing with the drip at the end of it, like the wing liner is dripping down. That was the look I was going for. There go the little drips. Everything will come together later in the video. You will see. Okay, right here I'm setting the eyeliner with a purple eyeshadow. So that really made the purple pop. All these P words. Purple pop. Okay, so right here I'm lining my eyeliner with black liquid liner. See, I'm going right above the purple liner. And I'm just going to outline it. Then you want to come down, outline the wing, and then outline the drips. The drip marks that I made, you're going to see that I outlined them. Now you kind of have to have a steady hand to do this. My hand is nowhere near steady. I don't know how I did it. Don't ask. Okay, so here is where I started to draw the cup that will be the illusion of pouring my eyeliner. I didn't record that whole video because that just took so much time, but you will see how it looks. Right here, I'm putting on my foundation. Nothing too major. I'm going to do a foundation tutorial. I know I haven't been on here in a while. I'm just trying to get I don't know. It's hard to stay consistent, but I really want to do YouTube videos, so I'm trying my best, y'all. And then my computer always ran out of storage, but now I have an external drive, so guess what? Gonna be making more videos. Alright, I'm applying the LA Girl concealer. Nothing too major. Blend that out. Now I'm putting on my contour, another LA Girl concealer. Blend that out too. I'm setting up under my eye using Ben Nye, my favorite setting powder. Boom, Ruby Kisses. And I'm setting my contour with Ruby Kisses contour palette. And it's not the cream one, it's the powder one. I'm just placing that. And now I'm putting on my highlight, which is also Ruby Kisses. Let's see. Oh, okay, right here is where I wipe off the bottom half of my face. And I'm using a makeup wipe. And this is just gonna give me the outline of where I'm gonna start the drip effect. Just wiping all of that makeup off. Now right here, I don't know what I was doing. I mixed some of the purple pigment with some foundation and I thought it was gonna come up purple, but it came up ashy purple. So I mean, it could possibly help the pigment stick on, but this is me applying the pigment on top of that. I really was winging this whole look, y'all. I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but thankfully it came out beautifully. I sprayed some e.l.f. setting spray so it could like help the pigment stick even more. See, made it more brighter. Okay, now I'm putting on some liquid lipstick. I don't know what kind it is, but yeah, I'm putting on a dark purple first to outline my lips. And then oh, excuse me. I will put a lighter purple in the middle to make it look like a little gradient effect. Now I'm applying NYX glitter primer. And I'm putting on purple glitter. Looks good. It looks good. Real good on camera. And I just put a little of that glitter on my eyeshadow, only on the right side. Now I'm making another drip mark, doing the same technique I did on my eye, and then I'm outlining it with the black eyeliner. Get it nice and outlined. See, a drip mark. Now I'm adding the little cut, and then I went back and added more details by adding white eyeliner, and then I added some drip going down the sides of my face, which is just foundation that ran down. I mean, not really hard. I didn't do that part on camera either, but yeah. This is the final results. I love how it came out. Look at that. Details. Yes, bitch. Yes. What I'm gonna need y'all to do is subscribe and like this video. And I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best to come out with another video every week. Every week I want to post another video. Right here I was being extra. You know, I had the purple drink. This look was called Codeine Crazy because it's purple and I had to have a purple drink. But yep. Thank y'all for watching.